Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I make meat pie pastry dough or meat pie pastry to make your meat pie. I've already done a filling, so this video is for the pastry. So to the bowl I added 4 cups of self-raising flour. Now you can also use plain flour if you want, but I advise you add some baking powder. 1 teaspoon is fine. And if you want, you can go to my channel to watch the filling part of this video. So I'll be using 250 grams of butter, and I'm using the brand called I Can't Believe It's Butter, as I like this brand, and the butter is very rich in taste, so and it's soft as well, so I use that brand. So I'll be adding the butter later, but before then I would add sugar and some salt. So I added 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, that's for taste, and I also went ahead to add a pinch of salt, or like 1/4 of salt, so just little salt is needed. So don't forget to go to my channel to watch how I make the most delicious and moist filling for this Nigerian snack. Okay, it's one of the most popular Nigerian snack, meat pie. And I added some of the butter that I showed, and then I started mixing and incorporating it into the flour mix, trying to get it to have some sort of crumbly look to it. I added a lot of butter for the amount that I used, for the amount of flour that I used, and that's fine by me because I like it. Into the bowl I added some evaporated milk, and this will help to bind the dough. I like evaporated milk because it gives it a richer taste, but you can equally use liquid cow milk. So after kneading a little bit, this is what I came up with. For some people this could be over kneading, but I don't see any much difference between the way other people have done theirs and mine, because it still comes out soft and normal. This is just a basic way to do it. Some people can add more protein by using egg, but I choose not to use egg. So I put my dough, before cutting it I put it into the fridge for about 30 minutes to chill a little bit before I started making the meat pie base itself, the pastry base, or rolling it out. So with your rolling pin you're going to roll it out as flat as possible. I'm not going to tell you how thin or thick it should be, but I think you can always look and observe from what I've done. So make it a little bit thick, but not too thick, because then you would not look good and it will be too much pastry than it is of the filling. And then I use this pie maker that I have to cut it out, as it gives it good design, if you notice, if you can see it. So roll it as thin as possible, but don't roll it too thin because it will cause the filling of the meat pie to burst out easily. So after cutting up my pastry the size that I want it to be, I added the filling that I have made, which again you can watch in my previous video. Now if you're finding this recipe or instruction on how to make pastry for your meat pie helpful, don't forget to share and subscribe. So what you see me adding is the egg wash, and that simply helps to hold everything together. You make egg wash by taking one chicken egg and adding some water and beat it to release some of its yolk, and then there you go, you just have your egg wash. And then you can use a pastry brush to brush over your thing, and after that you can bind your meat pie together. This makes the meat pie. Okay, close it with your hands first. You can leave it just with your hands because it still gives a good design, but to ensure extra secure closure, I decided to use a fork, a kitchen fork, to put it down. Look, you see how it looks. So I started with small ones, and then by the time I finished making this, I was tired and I made it much bigger. So I'll just let you watch, see what I do. Yeah, so repeat until you get the number of meat pie you want to make, or until your filling finishes. And there you go. If you like this video, don't forget to share and subscribe once more. And the minced beef I used is that the filling I use is a minced beef filling, just in case you were wondering. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.